All right, today we got ourselves a 2015 Ford F-150. We're gonna do an oil change on it. Your oil filter is gonna be up here in the front. You got a little drain pan, comes down there. Most of the time it'll come down back here though, because it's shitty design. And drain plug is gonna be right here, back behind this little splash guard. You're gonna wanna grab a 15mm socket and your claw of choice to take off the oil filter. All right, now that we've got that loose, we're gonna get it to start draining here real quick. There we go. While it's draining, get your oil filter loose, ready to drain out of there. Go. All right, that's almost done. All right, now we got the drain plug back on there. We can take this off. Today it decided to drain out both back there and the actual thing it's supposed to drain out of. Cool. All right, gonna need a PZ173 for this truck. And put that in there. Make sure it's in there nice and tight, and before you put it on there that you lubed up that oil ring so it doesn't get stuck on there. Once you're ready to get your oil in there, your oil filter, or not your oil filter, your oil cap's going to be right here on the left side of the engine, right next to your battery. You can see it a little bit better there now. This particular model takes just over 7.5 quarts, 7.7. Okay, now that you've got all that done, it's time to reset your oil light. You're gonna turn your key on to accessory. When you're in the menu, you're gonna use these buttons down here to scroll through the menu down to settings. You're gonna go to vehicle and oil life reset, and you're gonna hold down the OK button here until it says the reset is done, and that's it. You're finished. Now you can start up your vehicle, make sure all of the oil goes through everywhere, warms up, and you're ready to leave. Hope this was helpful, and have a nice day.